Here is 21 Buttons app. Interesting app you can try out. Basically, it's like Instagram, but the main focus of the app is still on buying clothing. So if you're interested in some outfit, you can just buy it from here and just see the details of specific outfit. You can visit website, you can add to wish list and all of that. So that's the idea. Of course, you will ask, I can do it on Instagram, but here this app is exactly focused on this one feature. If you see some nice clothing from your influencers, you can just literally buy it. And that's basically the idea. So just go through different clothing overviews. And this app is quite popular in Europe. So maybe it's not that popular in US or something. Maybe you never heard about it. But in Europe, it's for example, in UK, it's in the top charts sometimes among social media apps. So then you can just search looks by brand, this category, price. You can enable and then publish your photos. And then the items will be tagged, or you can just tag them. So then you have your account settings, and that's the app. So definitely give it a try.